I'm Sanjeev Singh. I've been a cyber practitioner for about 3 decades now. Started off in Indian Navy, where I served for 22 years in various roles, and then moved on to industry where I've been doing a bit of consultancy work as well as being a CISO and data protection officer for a large IT company. My experience with SANS has been awesome. Over the last 8 years or so, I've taken 4 courses, and from all these courses, I always found something that I could take to work the very next day. One of the challenges was not knowing what I did not know. We always felt that we knew everything based on our existing knowledge and experience at that point of time. We would do things the way we thought were correct. The first science course I took made me realize how little we knew at that point of time. The quality of content, the quantum of content was so much that we realized that our existing knowledge was just inadequate for dealing with challenges of modern times. We did look out for many providers who could provide quality training, but from word of mouth as well as our perusal of the contents, what we realized was SANS was unmatched. One of the core features of SANS is that the training that they provide is very practical in nature. Every day there are so many labs that you do, which helps not only in improving the knowledge you have but to gather more skills. SANS does provide so many more resources through the community driven initiative to keep honing those skills, keep adding to the value that you can bring to your organization through seminars, webinars, summits, white papers, etc. The value is immense. It's every bit worth the dollar that you spend on that training. It's always great to hear from some of the leading minds in this industry where they put in their experience and give very practical nuggets on what should be done to protect our organizations. I always learn from them. I look forward to them, and that's how I have been keeping abreast of the latest and greatest that is possible to learn.